Aujourd'hui, on va discuter par rapport aux erreurs de communication qu'il faudrait éviter en anglais, en français plutôt. I hope I'm audible to you. So we have, when you're expressing yourself, miscommunication can often arise from improper use of a word. Let's say you want to use uh, the tu in the formal area, which we're not supposed to use. Okay, so here using the wrong form can seem disrespectful, especially in French culture. Okay, so we have here like as I said earlier, in the formal area you have to keep on using vous. Okay, while in the formal area you can keep on using tu. Okay, so the French often communicate subtitled and value nuisance. Okay, so direct or overlay blood speech common in culture may be perceived as rude and aggressive, leading to miscommunication or misunderstanding. We have some false friends here, which is called the faux amis, which are words that look or sound similar in English, but they're basically like different. So this can also cause confusion or miscommunication in conversation. Okay. So nous avons actuellement. Actuellement in French means currently, not actually. And we have sensible. So sensible, ça veut dire en français sensitive, not sensible. Donc lorsqu'on parle ici des faux amis, ce sont des mots qui expriment, sont des mots qui présentent un caractère spécifique à eux, c'est-à-dire que le, la compréhension du mot ne dépend pas n'est pas la même de français en anglais. Donc, vous devez être en mesure de comprendre et d'identifier dans quel contexte vous êtes en train d'utiliser chaque mot. Donc, nous avons quelques exemples ici. Nous avons actuellement affaire, couramment, grave, habit, journée, pain, préservatif, prévenir, rester. Donc, actually, what doesn't mean actuellement in French, and affair doesn't mean affair. Currently, no. So that basically we have a bench list of some false friends here. OK? Donc, nous avons des baskets. Le basket, ici, ça veut dire un panier, des trainers, un bras, un soutien-gorge, euh, un car, c'est-à-dire une voiture, un bus, la chaise, une chemise, du pain et la douleur. Donc, nous sommes partis du français vers l'anglais en identifiant quelques faux amis, c'est-à-dire quelques false friends. Okay? Now, nous allons parler ici de... Lorsque vous prenez un mot en français, vous devez également vérifier la grammaire, l'orthographe et identifier également ce que veut dire le mot. So, when you have partial false friend, French additional meaning in French. So, let's say circulation, which means traffic, dramatique, which means tragic, manifester, which means demonstrate or match, like in protest, perform, flavor, ice cream, yogurt, and souvenir, memory. Et donc, lorsqu'on parle de faux amis ici, ce sont des mots qui ne veulent pas nécessairement dire la même chose, que ce soit en français comme en anglais. Ok. Donc, nous avons ici euh, la mauvaise prononciation des mots, la mauvaise utilisation des mots. Lorsque vous utilisez un mot dans un contexte où il ne devrait pas être utilisé, cela peut amener à une incompréhension et parfois même des disputes. Okay? Donc, misunderstanding may occur due to pronunciation, false friend, or cultural context. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that the French value polite and precise language in conversation. So rather than guessing, it's always the best to politely ask and clarify to avoid confusion. So whenever you are speaking with someone you don't understand what he's saying, or you don't get this point, you can ask him to repeat again, and so that you can be able to understand properly. Because it's not, let's say you are trying to guess what the person said and you got it wrong. So it might lead to miscommunication and misunderstanding. Okay. Donc, nous avons une petite conversation. I'm looking for Discovery Channel dinosaur seats, which has picture of dinosaur and game. Okay. Are you looking for poop? Are you looking for dinosaur poop? No, just the Discovery Channel website. Okay. Uh, are you looking for a meat eating or plant eating dinosaur? I am not. So, like, uh, she got confused, started asking herself if the person she's talking with is understanding what she needs or what she's requiring for. Donc, lorsque vous voulez demander à quelqu'un, so when you're having a discussion with someone and let's say you don't get to understand what he's saying or you don't get to hear what he's saying properly, we can say, pourriez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? Which means, could you please repeat that? Okay. Que veut-il ce mot? So what does this word mean? Okay. Pourriez-vous parler plus lentement, s'il vous plaît? So could you please speak more slowly? Okay. Je ne suis pas sûr d'avoir bien compris. So I'm not sure if I understood that correctly. Et so nous avons quelques expressions ici que vous allez utiliser pour pouvoir poliment demander une clarification lorsque vous entretenez une conversation avec elle. Donc, you have to use polite phrase like excuse-moi before asking for anything. Okay. So you have to also avoid saying quoi, which means words. There is some rude and absurd. Okay. So when you're talking with someone and she says something that you're not understanding and you're not hearing properly, instead of saying quoi you could, which sounds rude, you can just excuse-moi, peux-tu répéter s'il vous plaît? Instead of using pourriez-vous expliquer s'il vous plaît, you could say please explain it. Okay. So repeat what you understood and ask, c'est ça, c'est bien ça. So c'est bien ça, I mean like, is it really that? Like, c'est bien ça. Donc nous avons ces quelques expressions là que vous pouvez utiliser pour demander une clarification par rapport à votre compréhension. Okay, so can I ask you for a question? Or can I ask you a question? Of course you can, as soon as you say bonjour. So this illustration here is showing us like whenever you have to start a discussion with someone in the French culture, it always starts with the greetings. You have to greet the person, okay? And once you greet the person, you can ask or start the conversation, okay? So here we if we are, let's say, around 2 or 3 in the class, we try to use all the false friend that you have learned and let the other participant understand the real meaning behind it. Okay. Sanjay, hello.
Yeah, hi. Actually, I'm getting some internet issues. So because of that, I keep joining
Yeah,
again and again.
I understood it. I saw that you left a little bit earlier.
No, no, actually, yeah, because of this internet issue. Any which ways, I am back again. Je vais bien.
You see?
Bonjour, je
Hello.
vais bien. Merci.
Bonjour. Yes, I can hear you. I think your network is still a little bit unstable. Are you able to hear me properly?
Sorry?
Are you able to hear me properly?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
So before you left, we're here, like we were saying, whenever you have to start a conversation, okay, and with anyone, it is so the French culture said you have to greet the person first. So you can't just walk to someone, like walk towards someone, just start asking him for help or just asking a question without treating him, is gonna get it rude and the person's gonna answer you like badly. Okay. So among the false friend that we have learned today, can you share with me some of them that you still remember? We studied about this false friend today, right? Actually, affair, currently, graph, Abby, journey, paid, preservative, to prevent, and to rest. Okay. So Sunday, am I audible to you?
No, no, this is Sanjay actually. Yeah, I'm hearing you. Please go ahead.
Okay. So I
Yeah,
was
we
saying
learned about,
among the yeah, we learned about some false friend, right?
yeah, false friends. Yes.
So we call false friends here those words that from like what they mean in English, okay, it's not actually the same thing in French, despite the fact that they look similar grammatically, okay, or when you come across that word and you read it, it seems to mean something in French, which is not the same, okay? So you have to be careful. Here we have some lists here that we have on the screen, and because when you see actually, you basically think that it's mean actuellement, which is not the case here, okay? So from the task that we have on the last screen, we're asking to use some false friend and try to get the real meaning. Is there any false friend that you still remember?
Is it journal is also a part of false friend, right?
You see,
Journal, a journal.
journal. Okay, so when journal, like you're giving it in English, right?
Does it comes under the false friend list? That is what I was asking actually.
Okay, so journal is not a false friend because journal still has a say it's still written the same way in French and still mean like newspaper.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
So what I will do, I'm gonna drop a list of false friends in the chat so that you can get it like for your own vocabulary. Okay.
Mm, yes, yes, that would be helpful.